Canada's largest infrastructure project is nearing completion on the shores of Lake Huron. Bruce Power is rebuilding 2 nuclear reactor units at Bruce A, adding 1,500 megawatts of generating capacity to the 1,500 megawatts currently produced by the other 2 operating units at the 4-unit station. Once the rebuilt units are restarted and connected to the Ontario electricity grid, they will continue to generate electricity for the next 20 to 30 years. This unique rebuilding project is being carried out by a team of Ontario-based engineering, manufacturing, and construction companies along with several trade unions. Together, the Bruce A Renewal team has undertaken this first complete rebuilding of a CANDU power station, setting the stage for the refurbishment of Ontario's nuclear reactor fleet over the coming decade. The Bruce A station is one of 2 power stations on the Bruce site in Kincardine, Ontario. The Bruce site is a large self-contained site, employing almost 4,000 skilled workers and housing all the facilities needed to support the operation of the power stations. Nuclear power is the cornerstone of Ontario's electricity supply, making up approximately 1/3 of the total capacity in the province. Because it operates around the clock, under all weather conditions, it provided over half of Ontario's electricity in 2010. Over the coming decades, Ontario remains committed to nuclear power, continuing to make up a major part of the province's capacity. Once all 4 Bruce A units are back online, Bruce Power will produce approximately half of this nuclear power. At Bruce Power, safety is first in everything we do. We work at one of the safest workplaces in Ontario, with over 22 million hours worked in 2010 without an acute lost-time injury. This commitment to safety underlies everything we do and ensures that electricity generated at Bruce A and the Bruce site is safe. Nuclear-generated electricity is clean. It does not result in the greenhouse gas emissions linked to climate change. In addition to having low emissions during operation, a nuclear power station also has low emissions over its full life cycle, from construction through decommissioning. Studies have shown that life cycle emissions from nuclear power are similar to those from wind or water-generated electricity. Nuclear power generated at Bruce A and the Bruce site is among the least expensive electricity in Ontario. As Ontario consumers and businesses face increasing costs for electricity, nuclear power will continue to provide large amounts of electricity at an affordable price. Rebuilding a nuclear power station is a major undertaking. The costs associated with rebuilding result in significant economic and employment benefits for the Ontario economy. During the rebuilding and over the next 20 to 30 years of operation, Bruce A will result in thousands of jobs for technicians, engineers, and skilled tradespeople. The rebuilding of the Bruce A units is the first step in the revitalization of Ontario's nuclear reactor fleet. The Bruce A Renewal team is proud to play our part in ensuring safe, clean, affordable electricity for Ontario families and businesses today and in the future.